Dear learners, I welcome all of you to the secondary course in mathematics. It gives me a great pleasure that you have opted mathematics as one of your subject of study. Do you know the importance and use of mathematics in present scenario? Any measurement and calculation in our day-to-day life needs the knowledge of mathematics. That is why mathematics is called a subject of quantification and measurement. The study of mathematics helps to development of our critical thinking, reasoning and scientific temper. It is the subject of systematic study of quantification phenomena around us. Mathematics is important field any professions like engineering. Mathematics is important field in many professionals like engineering, architecture, statistician, banking, econometrics and other professions involves measurement and calculation. The main objectives of learning mathematics at secondary level are to acquire knowledge and understanding of basic concept, facts, principles, symbols and process of mathematics, to acquire the skills and measurement and quantification of experiences around us, to develop logical thinking and reflection among the learners, to develop problem solving abilities in our day-to-day life. It helps to apply mathematics knowledge and skills to variety situation, variety problems that occurs in our day-to-day life, to develop positive attitude towards mathematics and applies in different other subjects like physics, chemistry, economics and accountancy. Learning mathematics at secondary stage helps to choose a professional careers in your future as engineering, banking and accountancy. The present curriculum in mathematics at secondary level has divided into 6 modules and 26 lessons. Along with the practical manuals also provided with you. Vedic mathematics also provided you as the reference materials. The first lessons are from the module on algebra. In the algebra section, you will be learn about different types of number system, their needs and 4 fundamental operation on them. You will be acquainted with number patterns and their utility in our day-to-day life. The module on commercial mathematics consists of 2 lessons, that is percentage and its application and installment buying. In these 2 lessons, you will be acquainted with the problems based on percentage, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, discount and installment buying. The module on geometry consists of 10 lessons. In this lesson, you will be learn about lines, angles, triangles, quadrilaterals and circle along with their properties. Different theorem based on geometry also you will be learn in this module. There are 2 lessons from module on mensuration, that is perimeter and area of plane figures, and second one is surface area and volume of solid figure. Learning mathematics, learning mensuration will mainly help you to solve our day-to-day problem based on perimeter, area and volumes. Module 5, that is trigonometry. The module on trigonometry includes 2 lessons, that is lesson on 22 is introduction to trigonometry and lesson number 23 is trigonometry ratio of some special angles. Learning trigonometry will help you to solve the problem based on height and distance. Trigonometry also help you find out sides and angles of the triangle, which further used in the field of astronomy, engineering and navigation. As you know, learning through activities makes the learning more effective. Laboratory manual is also provided with 30 mathematical activities. Out of these 30 activities, 15 activities are from algebra, 9 activities are from geometry and rest 6 activities are from the mensuration section. It is expected that you will be perform these activities which will make learning mathematics more easy and fun. After completion of each lesson, there are MCQ items are provided you for the self assessment purposes. We must have to practice this item in order to assess yourself. While going through the entire course, you will be find number of activities, illustration and examples. These have been specially designed for you for your better understanding of mathematics. I hope that the entire course not only be used for examination purposes, but also inspire you to become a good mathematician. I wish you a bright future. Thank you.